Hello, I'm Brick Ross, and you're watching The Joy of Bricking with me, your host, Brick Ross. Today, fans of Lego Star Wars, especially Boba Fett, are going to be very excited that they tuned in because we've got Lego Kit 75344 Boba Fett's Microfighter Starship. It is 85 pieces of little Star Wars doozly bopsins fun, and it's got a beautiful little minifigure that you can see right there. What a cute little guy he is, and he just looks so much at home in his little starship, just zippity bopsing around the galaxy and zippity bopsing, doing his own thing, being Boba Fett, having adventures, and making friends. I wonder if we can have some friends to join him. And oh, look at that, we sure can. We've got some friends that maybe they can join us for the build. Today, a couple of little Mandalorian friends from another Lego kit. Let's see if you know where they're from. If you do, go ahead and leave a comment. Tell us where these little visitor friends of Boba Fett are from and how they're connected together, because that may be a little hint or a clue to a future episode. So keep your peepers popped and let us know what you think. What we're going to do is we're going to put these guys just right there for now, and then let's open her up. Let's take a look at what's inside this fun little box. Okay, so Thank you so much for watching. I'm Brick Ross. It means so much to me that you let me into your space to build some of my micro friends, and I hope that you had as much fun as I did today building this kit. It's just been a wonderful experience. So keep your peepers popped for future episodes, because I just love building these kits so much with you, and I can't wait for the next time that we get a chance to build together. But until that moment comes, all my brick buddies out there, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, be good, and of course, play well. Bye-bye.